Dana.
And I'm Miranda.
This is crazy. We haven't vlogged in I don't even know how long months.
It's been a long time, but we thought this was worth vlogging for because we are moving out
to the beach.
Yes. And we decided it would be fun to do a moving vlog, and you guys can see what stuff we're bringing with us.
And we can look back on it and remember it.
And
it's a big deal for us, as everybody knows.
And I love watching people decorate their apartment, so we thought that would be really fun to document for you guys.
You can get some ideas. All right, let's get to it.
So first things first, our dad is getting boxes because we need to box all of our clothes. We need to box all of our clothes. Whose room is messier?
Okay, great.
Big boxes.
And you can cancel the other one, right? For me? If you've got me the new one, yeah, definitely.
All right, so beds dismantled. Everything in boxes. Does this feel weird for you?
Got the U-Haul. It doesn't feel weird, but sometimes it does hit me.
It's like sitting.
It's actually happening.
Yeah, it's sitting in, and I'm like, this is weird.
I'm like, oh, it's happening. Finally.
All right, we have to introduce you. No one knows who you are.
And
I'm
where
kidding.
my card is, by the way.
I'm kidding. And what are you doing to help, Willie?
Whatever's needed.
Okay, here we go. Who's ready to come down those stairs? Well, can everyone pose for the thumbnail? Just do it for me, like, woohoo, we're closing it in. Everyone's smiling. No, I'll do like a 3, 2, yay. Angelo, come here.
I think we're gonna be leaving for a little while.
Really?
Yeah.
And we got it to work. Great job, team.
Son of a gun. Let's go to.
No, we can't say the area.
Well,
Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to.
This is what my room currently looks like. I will be coming back to clean it up. And Randa's room. Is it heavy?
It's very heavy.
Up against this one? Yeah. Okay.
Yay!
Alright.
Is that everything in the truck?
No, we got the big heavy beds
We have
left.
the bed frames.
Oh yeah, we got the horse part coming. How's everyone feeling after carrying my headboard up those stairs?
The world's heaviest headboard.
This has got to be like
Of all
200
time.
pounds. Maybe more. I don't know.
It's
Well, I don't
cold
know.
hard steel. Camouflage is wood.
Yeah.
How are you feeling, Dad?
It's made out of lead.
No, it's not. Oops. Andrew has assembled this bed. Did such a great job.
Subscribe to him.
Subscribe to Andrew.
Look at this,
You can't even subscribe to him.
no more videos.
No more videos, man.
My videos. Look at that moon.
Wow, dope, dope. Oh, it's nice out.
Yeah,
How do you feel, Andrew?
tired.
That's dangerous.
No, it's not.
In 3, 2, 7, 8. Name that song in the comments. What's that song, Andrew?
This sound.
Should we have a jam session? I'm gonna put this. This is the first meal in our house in this little Pyrex. What is this?
Pyrex?
It's not a Pyrex, it's a measuring cup, glass measuring cup. Oatmeal with some fruit, a little bit of maple. My first breakfast in the apartment. We need to go out and get bowls and silverware. All right, so we have some errands to run, but we're gonna show you the actual apartment because that's why people click this video, right? They wanna see the apartment. It's not finished yet, lots of boxes.
obviously,
So let's give them the tour from the front door.
Okay.
We walk. Yes, come in.
Through the door.
We'll turn on the lights. We keep them off because it saves power, but let's put them on for the video. We got pantry, nothing in it yet. Hopefully a vacuum cleaner. Yeah. All right, you want to show the kitchen? Yes.
The kitchen's here. So we have obviously a steel.
I should wait. The lighting's gonna be better.
You gotta go like this. And then
we have some sick ass fans.
There's no AC, but the fans help a lot.
Okay.
Did you feel hot at all last
Not
night?
at all. It's great. So I'll show you what's in our fridge, just because.
We got a little groceries and our mommy also
we gotta
sent
get
us
the
some.
water things fixed, but that's okay. So we got, you know, just this. We got some frozen rice and some frozen
We just have like
veggies.
a lot of sugar in here, really, like maple
And
syrup, jelly,
starch.
and no, I'm kidding.
You know.
Kombucha.
Oh wait, let's show them these cabinets. In here we got the goods, we got some oatmeal, we got some cereal, you know, breakfast snacks. We got a lot of cabinet space, obviously.
Way too much for us. Oh, bananas.
Check out this nice stove. We know we can cook our sweet potatoes there. We still need to get
Microwave.
what's it called?
This is our trash
bin.
right now.
So follow me to the
Do we?
room.
No, we have to show them the dining room.
Oh yeah.
That I'll show them.
Yes. That hasn't been really set up yet. This is an old table from our parents' house. So we're using it for now. We're thinking maybe we'll put it on the balcony. But yeah, we have lots of light coming in throughout the day. We're thinking this is gonna be the eating area, and then this will be the music area.
Mm-hmm.
And then this will be, we haven't showed this area.
Yeah, show it.
This will be where we put the couch.
And right here,
and the TV,
we're thinking we'll put a
which
TV.
will mount, and we'll get lamps on these sides.
Yes.
And this will obviously look a lot better once we don't have all the boxes.
Yeah. Now follow me.
Into
We're
the
very
bedroom.
fair with our screen time.
Yes.
Oh, and this is the coat closet,
Coat closet. Boom shakalaka.
which literally most of these coats are from eBay, if anyone was wondering. Literally, I'm gonna tell you guys my secret. These Obermeyer jackets are from the 90s and they're like $30, $40 from eBay. So
Amazing.
everyone's gonna steal my jackets.
So check this out.
Randa's room.
So I actually did order a white cover. This is like my old bed sheet.
Do you want to turn the light on?
I want it to be white. Yeah, let me show you guys the fan. So check this out.
We're not allowed to paint the walls, but that's okay. We don't mind that
so
it's
you can
like
turn
white.
on the lights.
That looks so good.
And then it's a nice fan. And I do want to get a white bedding, but the one that came in the mail I did not like. And
It was
check
itchy.
This out. This is my
Vanity.
Let me just
Found on
put
Amazon.
that away.
Hello. Hello.
This is where I like to do my makeup, and this nice light coming through.
Yeah, that's
It's amazing.
nice.
And check out this
Check out the
closet.
closets.
So
Huge.
there is my hamper. Normally I don't have a hamper. I just put it on the clothes, and I was like, we're starting fresh. So this will be my
Mom would be so proud of
my
us.
future fiance's side of the closet.
Because it's empty.
Because you know I'm so close to that happening.
We could play hide and go seek in this place. Wait, why would you put yours on this side?
This, go right to fiance.
This is the better closet. You need to give him this side
Yeah,
because
the
this
guy can have
look because this door covers it.
True. So this
And
will-
it's brighter over there, so you should give him
so
the shittier
I did
side.
put all of my clothes on this side.
You
and
need to switch it and give him this side.
I do have. That's why I haven't.
Hold on, wait.
What?
People are gonna think you actually have a fiance.
Oh wait, I'm so single. It's not even funny. I'm not dating anyone. We're not dating.
Also,
anyone
shout out this
seriously.
sweater. You wanted to throw it away in
I
that
know.
video where you cleared out my closet.
I'm not dating anyone seriously. So here is where I'm thinking. Well, I got this
Dresser.
is my toiletries, but I want to put a dresser here because I have a lot of clothes that I won't hang up. And then
And a
I'm
mounted
thinking
TV.
I'll either mount the TV here or I'll put it on the dresser like a stand.
I think you should mount it.
But I'll
Let's
probably mount it.
go to the bathroom.
Oh yeah.
Look, there's no lights on.
Oh,
Look.
wait, and also, wait, let's see what they think of this. Do you guys like this? I want to know in the comments though, if I get a white bedding, would the blue look good?
I think so.
I think if this was white, then
Yes.
it'd be like a fun pop of color.
All right. Yeah, that's true.
I am a little retro.
All right. So wait, I'll turn the fan off. We got this bathroom. It's a bigger bathroom than the one I'm using, but that's okay. We can share it.
All right.
And she
check
has
out
lots
this
of
view.
cabinet space. I might need to. Can I have?
Wait, no.
I
see,
should.
one half will be for myself, and the other will be for my future.
No. The other half is for me because I don't have enough space, Randa.
Okay, fine.
She's like, okay, the other half's for my fiance. No.
Okay, wait. Check out this view from the bathroom.
Oh.
You're
look, there's,
taking a nice
palm trees.
He's sitting on this nice toilet, you know, going through Instagram and looking at that view. Can't complain. So check out the shower.
This is the shower. Great.
We got a detachable.
Now we come into my room. Let's turn off this light. This is the other bathroom that will be like the public / mine. It's definitely a lot smaller,
But it's so nice.
but it's really nice. And like you have your stuff over there. Okay, we have a mirror right here, like out.
Oh, that's so nice.
Isn't that cool? Well, yeah, if we're like leaving the house.
Wait, yeah, close it. You can just like check out your
Yeah,
outfit.
exactly. Like, oh, cool. All right, let's go.
Okay.
So this is my room. It's smaller. which I don't care because it's like super, super bright. My new bedding, got these pillowcases. Do we need to show them the closets? The closets are exactly the same. And I haven't really hung anything up, it's just kind of a mess because my boxes are not unpacked yet. My dresser. I will say it's definitely smaller than mine, but because the light comes in, it looks big.
So here's the thing. It's a smaller room, but it has the access to the wonderful, wonderful balcony. Look at how big
It's
this
really
is.
big.
It's so big.
Look at it over
We're
here.
gonna put a like maybe the table over on that end.
Yeah.
And we can like sit and have like tea, eat.
And we even have like a light for the night, but it's like so well lit in the night. It's amazing. And I literally slept in my bed and I left the screen. Wait, should I not say that? I Why?
want someone to like
No one's gonna get onto
like,
the balcony.
She sleeps with her door open.
Wait, but check out this view.
But anyway, I just slept
How
with the
cute.
screen door open and had the fan on. It was like so nice and cool. And yeah, I'm just like looking out to this. Look at this.
Amazing.
It's so nice.
Yeah, you know what? It does make it seem bigger because you can see out and
Well, you
it almost
still-
extends the room.
Well, and you can just come out here like when you want more room.
Yeah,
It's like
that's amazing.
It's like perfect for us. We had some troubleshooting apartment hunting because one room was always so fantastic and the other one kind of sucked. And with this one, you know, usually like both of us are like, no, I want the bigger room, I want the better room. But these both have something special about them. Like hers is a little bit bigger, but like I have the balcony, so.
It's like they both have their own charm.
Yeah,
Their
exactly.
own unique qualities that make it both
And we're
good.
both happy with it. So
Yay.
yeah. But also feel free to comment like whose room you'd rather have.
Yeah.
If you want. We won't be offended.
And give this video a thumbs up if you like our apartment.
Yeah. All right, so let's go run the errands.
Let's go.
And look who has their very own garage.
Vlog Target. We got the hand sanitizer, let's go.
We're gonna make a video showing all the plants we buy.
That would be fun. How much did we spend?
We each spent $142, which is a lot, but you know, it's an investment and it's stuff we need.
Exactly. We need that cleaning supplies. You're welcome, Mom and Dad. What are we assembling?
A vacuum. Ready?
Yep. Success.
Look who built our very own vacuum cleaner.
Tell them how much it cost.
It was only $50.
We're gonna see if it was worth it.
I saw one there and we were like, $300 for a vacuum cleaner. We got this one's for you, Mom. So that we stay clean. I didn't even need a man to build this thing. I did it myself. Well, I might have spoke too soon. Hold on.
Woohoo! Alright guys, well that finishes the apartment tour. We definitely have a lot more decorating to do and we ordered furniture, it's coming soon. So stay tuned for that. Special thanks to my family and Andrew for helping us move. It was a lot to move that bed frame, very heavy, and it's much appreciated. And thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you as well. Subscribe, and anything else I missed? Probably not. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!